morning to all my dear students. Today, I'm going to teach you network in graph theory. So today, our learning objective is network. Do you know that the transportation system in Malaysia is also a type of network? In KL, we have light rail transit, MRT, monorails, and computer trains. Okay, the relationship between a network and a graph. A graph is used to represent data. Graph is interpreted as a series of dots. The dots are either linked or not linked to one another by lines. Each dot is known as a vertex, and the line joining two vertices is known as an edge. A graph is usually used to represent a certain network. A network is a part of graph with the vertices and edges. Structure of a network has a many-to-many relation. Example, land transport network. Land transport network, the vertex are regions, towns, cities, or certain buildings that are linked. The edge, example roads, highways, or railway lines. For social network, the vertex are individuals, groups, or organizations. The edge are type of relationship such as friends, colleagues, or families. Okay, student, do you know why you need to study at home? As you can see from the picture there, this is because COVID-19 now is forming their own network. As you can see, COVID-19 are connecting one another from one vertex to another vertex by the edge. There are so many vertices and edges. One of the vertex is 3 petaling. Okay, there are so many vertices and edges. This shows that the virus is very dangerous. So please stay at home and please wash your hand with sanitizer. And if you go out, please wear masks and please take good care of yourself. Stay at home, study, and stay safe. The diagram shows the network of the spread of virus COVID-19 from one vertex to the other vertex. The vertex originated from 3 petaling and it formed the edge to the vertex like Johor, Penang, and Perak. So as we can see, the network of the COVID-19 become bigger and bigger. So please stay at home to stop the break of the change or to break the edges of the virus COVID-19. Please remember, we just stay at home. We can actually form the isolated vertex from the virus COVID-19. Hence, we can beat the virus and Malaysia boleh, kita mesti menang. This is the medicine network, COVID-19 graph network. The diagram shows the edge for the vertex. The degree of vertex is the edges which connect from one vertex to another vertex. The sum of degrees is actually equal to 2 times number of edges. Graph is interpreted as a series of dots. Each dot is known as vertex, and the line joining 2 vertices is known as an edge. A directed graph is a graph in which a direction is assigned to the edge connecting 2 vertices. An undirected graph is a simple graph or graph with loops and multiple edges without any direction being assigned. The diagram shows the network of COVID-19 is undirected and unweighted graph. Now, what is unweighted graph or weighted graph? A weighted graph is a graph associated with a value or a weight. The weight can be in kilometer, or the mass, or the cost, or the money spent. Whereas unweighted graph is not associated with a value or a weight. Example of the weighted graph are distance between two cities, traveling time, or the current or electric circuit, or the cost spent. The example of unweighted graph are flow chart, tree chart, tree map, bubble map,